Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about regarding your practicals, right? As we already sent you regarding your practicals about your syllabus in the practicals, right? As you all know that your practical will be of 30 marks, right? Like class 11, and your theory portion will be of 70 marks, right? So today we are going to discuss about the practical portion. Your practical will be of 30 marks, and these are the content for your practicals, right? Your first practical, that is called the physical fitness test. Your first practical is called, that is physical fitness test. In this physical fitness test, there are two test items: A, Alpha unit test; B, Rickley and Jones test. These are the two tests in the first practical, that is physical fitness test. The first test, that is called Alpha unit fitness test. In this test, there are 7 test items or 7 test batteries which you have to write in your practical file. As well as this Alpha unit test also conducted on the ground at the time of practical, right? So you have to write all test items or all 7 batteries in the first test, that is Alpha unit test. You have to also paste or draw the photograph for each test or each battery, right? For example, if there are 7 test batteries in the first test, then you have to paste or draw all 7 test items or batteries in your file, in your practical file, right? And you have to write all the test items which I will send you, right? Your second B practical, the first practical, that is Rickley and Jones test. This test is made for the senior citizen test. It is also called the senior citizen test. This test is meant for the old people who are above 60 years of age. This test is meant for them, right? In this test, there are 6 test items. You have to write all 6 test items, and also you have to draw or paste the photograph of all the test items or the batteries. So this is all about the senior citizen test, or it is also called Rickley and Jones test. Now the second practical, that is proficiency in games and sports, skill of any one game of your choice, right? In your practical, there are several games and you have to choose only one game. For example, in your syllabus, the games are kabaddi, volleyball, cricket, handball, basketball, kho-kho, right? Football. These are the games included in your syllabus in the practical. So you have to choose only one game of your choice. This is your choice. Whether you choose cricket, you choose football, you choose basketball, handball, kho-kho, kabaddi. This is your choice. And you have to write the fundamental skills of that particular game which you choose. You have to write terminology, terms. You have to write the history of the game. You have to write the measurement of the game, and also you have to draw the play field of that particular game which you choose. You have to also draw the play field, not paste the photograph. You have to draw the play field by the use of pencil, right? So this is all about the second practical. You have to choose only one game in the game of your choice, right? And you have to write all about the game, by the history, terminology, fundamental skills, measurement, and also draw the play field. So that is all about the second practical. Now come to the third practical, that is called yogic practices. In yogic practices, there are 3 tests. The first one, that is write 3 standing asanas, 3 sitting asanas, 3 lying asanas, and also write the benefits of all these 9 asanas, 9 yoga asanas. And also you have to paste or draw the photograph of all 9 asanas. First you have to write the asanas, also write their benefits, and also paste their photograph or draw their photograph. That is the first practical in yogic practices. The second practical in yogic practices, that is write 2 asanas for the diabetes, or those people who are suffering from the diabetes or diabetic patient. You have to suggest 2 asanas which are beneficial in the diabetes, and also write the benefits, and also you you have to write a contraindication. Contraindication here means who not to do, right? Who not to do, that is called the contraindication. So you have to write 2 yoga asanas for the diabetes which are helpful in diabetes, and also write the contraindication of those asanas. The C part of the third practical, that is you have to write 2 asanas for the beneficial in the lifestyle disease obesity. Obesity is a lifestyle disease. In that disease, you have to suggest 2 yoga asanas. You have to write their benefits and also write the contraindication of the asanas. So this is all about the third practical. Now come to the fourth one, record file. You have to write all these practicals in your file. That is all about your record file, and after that followed by your viva. Whatever you written in your practical file, the examiner or teacher will take your practical viva, right, from your practical file. So this is all about your practical work, and you have to write all the practicals in your practical file in a very good manner, very neat, very clean, right? And you have to paste all the photographs. So this is all about your practical work. And one thing I would like to tell you, that I will send you each and every practical in the group. I will send you each and every practical in the group. You have to write as it is, and you have to just manage the photographs. Just manage the photographs, print out the photographs and paste. And you have to also, if you have a choice, that you have to also draw the photograph. You have a choice whether you paste the photograph or draw the photograph. This is your choice, right? So I will send all the practicals in the group. So I hope you understand regarding the practicals. Thank you.